Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about a company that offers remote job opportunities into sales and support roles. And the company offers 100% remote jobs. No matter what is your geographical location, you can apply for the job because the company offers jobs in 22 countries, including in Asia, Middle East, and Europe. So here's the company's website. The company's name is Crewbloom, and here it says the champions of global sales and support jobs. So here the company is on a mission to connect global professionals with remote jobs they love. The company was launched in 2016 and they are present in around 22 countries in Asia, Middle East, and Europe. And now let's check out about the details, what the company is looking for and how the process is. About the details, how to apply for the jobs. So here they have mentioned about all the details, and you can apply for a sales or support role, and this takes no more than 10 minutes. So there is a pre-screening process where the team will review your application to see if your skills are a fit for their clients, and if you are qualified, you will then be invited for an interview. And then skills assessment. So you will be giving a skill-based assessment or test where where the company will be checking that how well you can execute your sales or support responsibilities. And then candidate profile completion. So you will be invited to create your candidate profile after passing your skill assessment. After completing your profile, the company will start sharing with their clients and will notify you different opportunities with their clients. And here client interview. And so based on the clients who are interested in having you join their team will schedule a video interview with you, and you will be invited to join a training group if you pass this stage, and then launch. So you will undergo at least 1 week of training with the client. This period is critical for us to know whether you are a great fit for the project or not. So the process is like this. You first need to apply. That is, you need to fill up the application form, and later you need to give a pre-screening test. So where the company will be checking that if your skills or the qualifications that you have mentioned in your application form are a good fit for their clients. Then you need to pass a skill assessment test. After you pass the skill test, you will be prompted to create the candidate profile, and then you will be getting invitation from the company for a client interview. And if you pass the client interview, you will then be getting around 1 week of training to work with the client, and then you can start your project with the client. Now here the most important thing that the company is looking for is they used to do a system check. So all applicants are required to have the following systems, and make sure you have the checklist ticked off before you start applying as our team will be verifying your systems. So for laptop, desktop, Mac, and Chromebook, all the details are mentioned. So you need to check all the details and then for internet connection, main internet connection, and then backup internet connection, and then RAM, and then willingness to work full time. So you can provide if you can you can provide if you wish to work as a part time or full time. And then they will also be checking that your system has antivirus, webcam, or portable generator, etc. Here are some of the benefits that the company has listed. So they offer work from home opportunities, and they have global team, and the company offers competitive rates. If you want to apply for the job, you can fill up the application form, and here are the details. Here's a list of the jobs available with the company, and based on your geographical location you will be getting the list of the jobs available, and then accordingly based on your skill set and interest you can apply for the job. For example, here the jobs are for graphic designer, marketing intern, then sales development and support role, business development representative, sales development representative, team lead, and marketing lead, marketing lead SaaS, an education recruiter, therapist recruiter. So these are all the job roles available with the company. So if you think that you could be a good fit for any of these positions, you can apply for the job. And here are all the details mentioned. And so yes, if you get selected, you can start working with the client. So this is a great opportunity for people who are looking for full-time or part-time remote opportunities or work from home opportunities. And so go ahead and check out all the details yourself and then apply for the job. Thank you for listening.